So I hope that we'll see you next semester. As you can see that we're taking our safety serious here at the college. We have several more classes that are starting on ground next semester. We're trying to make things as safe as possible and getting you here to learn as much as you can in the culinary arts and the hospitality field. So hopefully we'll see you here because we're looking forward to teaching you as much as possible.
Okay, this is Bill Scully. He's our purchaser, and as I like to say, all around fix-it guy. He helps us buy our food, our products for our classes, repairs our appliances, our equipment. Bill's just all around wonderful person. So what do you got to say there, Bill?
Welcome everybody. We love to have you on campus. We're stocking shelves. This is what I do. I buy food, I put it on the shelf, I make sure everything is in the right place, and we have the right amounts and at the right location. We have 2 other locations besides downtown Cleveland, and I supply food and equipment to all of them.
Thank you, Bill.
What I would say to our students that are coming here in the spring is to know that we're being incredibly careful, that we're social distancing, that we're taking temperatures every day when you're coming in, that we're all wearing masks, and that you're 6 feet away while you film this, and that we are taking every precaution possible in order to make sure that everything is here for them to be in lab and hands-on. So I think that things will go well in the spring as long as we follow protocol. Even if things don't line up with the rules and the safety, we're ready for it. So we'll be here ready to go, hands on.